This is so annoying. There we go. Maybe if I cam right here. I mean, I don't hate the camera here. Messes with my price action here a little bit. Getting the initial sell off here, I might pull up some coding. Wow. I mean, I still think that I'm going to mark out these zones. Hmm. I'm kind of waiting for a trade already. Based off of... We swept this low here. Let's see. What if I change this? What's that do? I don't know what that does. Chart trader, show date range. Oh. Ooh, we're kind of dipping down here. I want lower than that though. What's up, viewer? How's it going? I kind of want a crosshair. Yeah, there we go. Crosshair type. There we go. I do like having a crosshair. Let me adjust it a little bit. Dashed, one width. What's global? Heck yeah, I like that. Slate gray is cool. Draw cursor only. What's that? I'm cool with that actually. That's perfect. Now I can see the number on the side. Okay. I'm looking for a little bit lower. If I was looking for, let's see, sweep of that would be nice. Into maybe, there's not really any gaps to work with. Otherwise, it's looking quite bearish. I might find a short up here. We're at the 15-minute open at the moment. Let's go ahead and look at, let's look for some fair value gaps on this chart. If I put on my custom inverted fair value gap by Raj, let's do like 1 minute fair value gaps. Is that weird? Okay. Those are looking nice. Look how price was reacting to those on the downtrend. I'm going to use those for now. I need to even move my monitor down a little more.
Order filled.
Two times 30. I'm risking about 60 here. Really, I'm trading this reversal, which is kind of sketch. Kind of sketch. Wow. So that's interesting. If we push above this candle, imagine I add another one.
Order submitted.
No, I'm already risking
Order
60. That's
canceled.
not part of the plan. So
Get your first paycheck. Realize it won't cover your rent.
this 5 minute, or wait, what is this? A 10-minute fair value gap? Interesting. That order would have been nuts. I think I'm getting the hang of this trading thing. Bum bum ba da ga da bum 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 bum. Sorry, I'm doing some stuff on my other monitor right now. I'm messing with my Discord a little bit. But I'm in this trade long. It's looking good. I'm at 2R. Almost 3. Should I take it all the way to open? Maybe I could trail if it hits 103.5. I've been in this trade for a few minutes. I'm just doing some Discord work. Listen to some classical music. We are at this high right now. We're at over 2R. Should I... I'm thinking if I move my stop to 1R or just let it go. I feel like I should get out at 2R. That's what I was wanting to do.
Stop filled.
Okay, that's 2R for me. I don't know. I got nervous. I'm looking for a little upside, but it's kind of scary these days taking trades. I would have liked to get like 5 risk reward though. That would have been nice, but maybe I can get it at re-entry here and risk like 0.5. Maybe like... And I don't know if I want to get back in, but... That could be a lower risk trade. 21 bucks. It's about half my risk. If I get in a little earlier. But I would do a stop on the way back up. Oh, sorry, Cam. Hmm. We just hit a nice trade. I'm looking for a re-entry. I mean, come on. Everyone uses that. I don't know. It's almost 6.
Get your first paycheck. Realize it won't cover your rent. Let Intuit help you reduce debt, save money, and build your credit. Get your first paycheck. Get your first paycheck. Realize it won't cover your rent. Let Intuit
Sorry for the sound, guys. Oh my god. Oops, I forgot. You could hear that. Am I going to get re-entered on this or not? Oh, here we go. Do I have hashtags in these? Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Order filled.
What's the risk? $20 on that. Mm-hmm. This music is kind of stressful. Hmm.
Stop filled.
Ooh, wow. That took me out bad. I wonder what happened if I waited for a stop market on the inverse. Of course. Why wasn't I looking at that? We broke through my zone here. I wanted to get back in long, but now I'm trading the new hour. Let's take a new look at this. We want to sweep the low or high. So I'm either looking for this or this, which the latter is 250 point move, which wouldn't be crazy for the hour, but we're probably more likely to sweep this low. But I'm gonna have to make some food sometime during this hour. Might take a break and hop back on with a guest. Should I switch the music? I'm sorry, guys. I thought it'd be unique. I think this is royalty free. We had 2 trades today. We took this one, which was about a $60 risk for, we took 2R out of it. This needs to be a brighter green. It's bull crap. Let's get that chartreuse. Yes. We took that one to about over here. Once we started pulling back there, I got out of the trade, which turned out to be a wise decision. I took another long about here, maybe. For 20 bucks, I lost that. Oh, I need to set this as default. Oh no. That's not bad, 2 trades. Oh yeah, I just need to do this. That's how I can see my chat. Oh, we're getting this sweep. Okay, we're literally dipping into the premium here. We're dipping down into primo. We're dipping down into primo. We about to get the trade on. We about to get the trade off. We're going long. To see what we made of. We sweep the pride low. Sweep the pride low. Take that shit to the open. Pivot high low. It's dangerous having these beats on while I'm trading. We are down here is super deep premium. I'm talking 4 hour. This shit's just intra-minute. Ah, that's a bullshit. That's a bullshit. That ain't transparent. Okay. I might get an entry here. Should I do it? I prefer a little more price action. But we do have that wick on the 5 minute. It's a new 5 minute candle.
Order filled.
I'm gonna build a position here. I'm gonna try something a little different. Build a position here, just chill out a little bit. If price dumps through, I guess that would be bad because this is quite a range. Well, 40 points, so that's 80 point risk. Whatever. I'd basically be back break even. That's cool with me. It's cool with me. I don't really care. As long as I'm following a strategy. I'm sorry, man. Hope you're proud of me. Yo, Ali, what up? Good luck at work. No more evals. Do I gotta sponsor you an eval, bro? You need a sponsor. Oh shit. Oh weird. Bro. Dude. I just got paid. You're gonna make me front you an eval. I don't have any codes. Let me find a good code for you. No, I don't actually. So I do have the money to spare. Oh gosh. I took a risky entry. Three hours of sleep. No wonder you blew your eval. I shouldn't be in this trade. I regret it. I gave back all my wins.
Order filled.
Do I just risk a little more here? I mean, look at that zone. It's wild. Always next trade. Okay, see you later. Thanks for popping by. Oh, look at this. Knife catch of the century. Right here. You're seeing it, witnessing it live. $8.30. I'm long, bro. I should stop it out here, though. I know it.
Order filled.
I dropped that trade. I didn't like it. It would have been nice if it worked out. I would have been up huge. But I was kind of over risked. I was double contracted in here, so that's about 100-point stop loss. I guess if I would have made 500 if it goes to the high extension, but that's just me picking lows. I want to wait for some confirmation. This zone is just where I was looking to trade, honestly. Now I'm searching more for something like this. It'd be nicer if we bounced out, though, again, and came back. I might just play it like that. Big forehead ass. What do you mean, Ali? No, I'm kidding. He didn't say that. Yo, Chimiko. What's up? How you doing? Is there a color picker on this thing? I don't see it. Oh, pick screen color. Thanks for the help, guys. One sec. I gotta... No, a little brighter. That's pretty good. Should I add my Skype on here? That'd be funny. You trading tonight, Jamiko? I'm just wondering how you trading's going. Mine's going okay. I lost a little too much. At first I was up, but then I lost like 60. I was up 2R, but then I lost 1R. So I'm just up 1R. That's a $60 for me. Oh, nice job. You're disciplined. I like that. Thanks. See, and I lost both of my losses were because of no discipline. My first win was because I had a good trade. Exactly my setup. This first one here, I'll show you. Like 20 minutes ago, I had this zone here. I entered on this candle. We got a nice setup, nice trade, 2-to-1. This was a smaller risk here, a loss. And then I need to set up that other one that I just blew for no reason. What did I do? No confirmation, barely at all. Pulled one of these. So if that was 120 minus 20, 100 minus 40. So this one's got to be 40 risk. At least I only lost 40 on that one. I've been trading. Well, I only started futures like 4 months ago. But I've been trading for like 4 years. Maybe 4 years. Crypto, a lot of crypto. A whole lot of crypto. Mostly just crypto. Yeah, I mainly only trade crypto. But the last 4 months I've only been doing NASDAQ. It's been pretty fun. Considering I've barely lost any money. That's where the problem comes in, is where like you can lose a lot of money if you gamble it away. So that's why I'm trying to follow a strict plan for the most part. How about you, Chimiko? No, maybe ICT. I don't know. I'm trading more. I have a baseline. My baseline was built DTFX. Dave teaches, so I watched a lot of his stuff. So I really liked it. I thought it really was a good way to digest the market, way to help digest the market. And then I kind of add my own stuff on top of it, statistics and a little bit of statistics combined with Dave teaches. And then of course my previous 4 years, I just discovered DTFX like 3 months ago. So obviously my 4 years combined, it has a lot of impact on it as well, of watching price action. I'm not gonna rant about DTFX, bro. I'm not. I'm just saying, because I've watched a lot of price action, dude, and I'm used to crypto. It's very volatile. So it's basically like trading NQ on the 30-second chart, you know? No, I'm trading. I can show you this statistic that I'm trading. There's this statistic by NQ Stats. So basically, I wait for price to sweep the last hour, the previous hour's candle, and then I look for some sort of entry to take it, to basically find the bottom, kind of. I don't search for the bottoms, but I want to take price back to the open. So as you can see, this is a perfect example where my lines are drawn out, like taking it somewhere from down here and at least taking price up a little bit. That's what the stat says. And this is run over 20 years. So over 20 years, there's a 75% chance that price will retrace back to the open at some point within the hour. Yeah, exactly, Chimiko. I'm sure you are. Great. And I've been trading it a lot, and it proves, like, I see it constantly. I constantly see it. But here's mine. I probably should have taken this trade. That's my type of trade right here. I always miss my freaking trades. I was watching it too. But we could keep going to the downside. I have more levels marked out down here. I'm just willing to blow a few trades.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Chimiko. You did not distract me. It's fine. I got a re-entry. I can't complain. Chimiko, so the way I look at it, I think it's silly to expect something to happen, but this is data. It's tested over the last 20 years. It happens 70% or whatever of the time where price will sweep the low. Now, maybe the data is skewed by like super quick sweeps because it often happens within the first 20 minutes of the hour. but it still will happen in the later hours. And also, I still like using the levels that it provides. So I don't know if you know, like it provides levels like this too. If you're looking at the hourly candles, this is Shadow Edge. This is the trading view kind of equivalent of what I'm trading with on NinjaTrader. Look up Shadow Edge. But anyway, like this might even be a good rejection zone, or we are gonna push through it. But here's the hours open. I'm trading way down here as I prefer to do. So. And then we even have 4-hour zones here. And that kind of thing. I'm kind of focused on this trade right now. So I'm sorry, but you use Shadow Edge. Let's go. Yes. See, perfect. I'm sure. Yes. I'm glad. That's probably how you found this stream. I'm not trying to rant about all this stuff. This is looking, I mean, I'm up. I was only risking about 60 and I'm up 60. So this is 1R. I want to try to take it a little higher though. I really do. But maybe I shouldn't be. I don't know. It's kind of hard to... It's going to bottom at some point, and then I'm going to be upset that I missed the 500-point run. And I'm trading on basically a free evaluation. It's like $12. So I might as well just keep trading it. I might as well just keep going and going and going and going and going. I have so many trades that I can lose. I just trade it like a little baby. Yeah, what's up, dude? I've been pretty consistent. I've been doing like every session for at least a little bit. And I haven't lost any accounts. I'm trading pretty conservatively, considering their evals. But I'm kind of, yeah. I just want to build good habits. Because I've gotten a couple payouts, but then I couldn't manage to keep the accounts. I'm gonna just keep taking off at 2R. Where's my 2R? Probably about at this high. Because I'm on trailing drawdown too.
Order canceled.
No, I don't want that. I want to get a little more out of that, but... what you mean, HS? Head and shoulders? Hour stats? I want to stay in this trade. I don't know why I'm worried about the drawdown. I could care less about the drawdown on this account. It's not my master. Mainly hourly sweeps combined with DTFX, single candle entry, a little bit of market structure. Like, you know, I'm looking for these lows to form and then take the pivot low out of the area, and it has proven to give a lot of RR, high risk reward, and tight stop losses. The only issue is that sometimes you're trying to time bottoms and tops, which I want to try to follow the trend more. But I like combining it with the hourly extensions because then I'm only taking trades at the extremities. So it saves me quite a bit of losses. So I wouldn't take any losses up here. I would only start taking losses down here. If I was just using Shadow Edge, I may even play it like this. 50% zone. What is this? A 30-second chart? Is that a different chart than mine? Am I blind? No, yeah. So I probably should have taken that and then re-entered. But whatever. Because I would have re-entered about maybe the 50. Yeah, I don't know. But I don't want to overtrade. I haven't taken very many trades today. I've taken 3. And I've been streaming for an hour and a half. That's pretty good. That's pretty self-control, if you ask me. Pretty good. I gotta finish my Red Bull though before I can't sleep tonight. Oh my gosh. No, Chimiko, I didn't. Look at that. I was gonna add another con. I'm gonna take off. Do I take off here? I'm about to take off. She about to fake off. Do I? That's 1.5 R. That was pretty bullish though. Maybe it was fake bull. Fake bull? Bull trap? It's an eval. I'm staying in the damn trade. Oh, let's go! Let's take it.
Target filled.
I wanted to take it higher. No. You're right, Chimiko. You're right, bro. I should have taken it to the open, though. Look at that. It's fine. I'll wait till the next hour. Woohoo! Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. We have 200 bucks. That's 10%. I drew it out. What can I say? What, dude? Why are you, what? You can't tell me everyone drew that out and traded it. Come on, bro. And I almost added another contract. That's how beautiful that shit was. I'm not taking credit for anything. I'm just saying. And dude, wow. That's a good trade. That might be a sign I should take a little break. Whew. That's 3. Wow, I've only been risking $60 a trade and I'm up 200 bucks. Let's draw that one out. Let's go. I think that one I kind of got in on a re-entry, so I was risking, yeah, still about 60 bucks. I think I grabbed about that much out of it. Yeah. About 150 out of that one. Let me look at it real quick. Sorry, oh yeah, Chim. I remember your profile picture. Yo, that's some pretty nice trades. I'm gonna do this too. I don't know really how to do that actually. I might have to I might take 10 here. Go get some food real quick and wait for the new hour to open. See what happens. So I'm gonna take 10 here. I'm gonna leave my chart up. Let's see what what's this level at? 709. So we'll have this zone marked out at 709. All right. Oh, Jimmy Cole. Mom, what do you mean? What do you mean check bio? Anyway, I gotta go grab something to eat real quick. We're back. Let's see what's going on. We just swept our low here. It's pretty bearish though. We have we're up 200 in this account, so I'm gonna swap accounts because this other eval only needs 400 to pass. Excuse me. I don't know. I mean, I don't really want to trade this quite yet. It looks kind of dangerous. What is it? 713? We got the sweep in the first 20 minutes. That's good. Maybe I should be long in this. Off of the only problem is it's 30-second candle structure. I like a little bit of 1 minute structure to form. So
Order submit. Order filled. Stop.
bad
filled.
trade.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, my mic's muted. Whoops. I don't know about this, guys. This was a bad idea. I'm double risked. I don't like to be double risked at all. At all. No, I don't. I guess I could triple risk to offset. But I'm gonna wait until the price goes a little lower if I were to do that. Because that's where I want to be in, is right where price is now. Except I entered early, like a dummy. I didn't try to enter early, it was an accident. One more sweep lower, I'll add one more contract. Blow this account out of the water.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I had a chance to get out there. I really should have gotten out. Oopsies. Open chicken. We do kind of like to see these pops, though. These pops up. Pops up. Pops up. It's almost 7:30. Ooh, we might get a Asia sweep here. Or more of a dump, since it opened on a dump. The 30-minute candle could do a quick sweep up, though. That'd be in 6 minutes. This is taking longer than I'd like to push up. But look at the right chart. Price is just boom, 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 boom. Lower, high, lower, high. Yeah, everyone must be in where I'm in, because that's where they keep tapping. I keep saying, oh, I should take off my order. I could take one off for -30 right now. I don't know. Let's check out Shadow Edge for a minute. This is kind of 1 hour zone here. If I didn't have such a bad entry. My entry's awful. And I'm over risked, so I had a few chances to get out of the trade though, as you can see. But whatever. I could just switch to this and pretend we're not even in a trade. Let's see. No, I'm just waiting. I'm chilling. I just got a bad entry and I can't add more due to risk limitations. Oh wow, what am I doing in this trade? It's looking very bearish. If I'm being completely honest with ya. Come on, baby. This trade needs to come through or else I gotta sell the house. If this trade doesn't come through, I'm selling the house, guys. Look at this trade. I'm only going for like 5R here. Not much. Not going for too much. Just 5R. But like I said, the house might be gonzo. Might be gonzo. Might be selling a house. Might be gonzo. Trade don't come through. Then I'm gonna be selling a house. I'm gonna be selling a house. Gonzo. But we still long though. Yes, we still long though, baby. Let's get a quick zoom in on this trade. Let's go, baby. Do we need to get this shit on the 1 tick chart or what? Let's go 10 ticks. Oh, come on. What can I do once? Oh, crap. What can I do? 1 second? Let's go. Oh, bro, a bug just flew on me. Bro. I'm in the garage. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of this zone. Let's go. Let's try out of this zone. Here we go. I'm staying in the trade. I don't care if we blow this eval. It's blow or go. Pray to God this zone. Please, please hold. Please, please hold. Hoping for this zone to come through. Praying on this zone. We all alone. Hoping that this zone gonna come through. Hoping that this. We're looking towards the sky. The hourly open. But honestly, we're pretty far extended here. The 1 second chart isn't very exciting during Asia. It's the 5 minute is about more fun to look at. But I don't know, would y'all exit this trade right now? Cause I've been given the opportunity to go break even about 5-10 times. I'm just holding on though. I need this bread. I think we got a nice push up coming like to these highs, maybe. At least to this candle. I mean, come on, that'd be a nice trade for me. I want to take it a little further though. Maybe take one off at those highs. Let's do a sell.
Order submitted.
Let's do
Order
sell
canceled.
market because it's pretty low liquidity.
Order submitted.
We're in this long, baby. This gap was still never filled. This 5 minute gap. What kind of gap is this? It's a custom inverted fair value gap indicator. So this is a 10-minute gap. It's supposed to be on lower time frames. So maybe I need to switch this to 10 minutes and then make this 5 minutes. Then that gives us some pretty good gaps there. But this is taking a while. It's not what I like to see. I like to see fast movement. It's looking bearish.
Stop filled.
Oh,
Order
I knew
canceled.
it. I knew it. Darn it. That's not good. Yeah, that's a little bit more than I wanted to risk, but it's okay. Oh, darn it. How many points was that? I knew I should have gotten out of that trade if I could go back in time. Because it was only 17 points. It should have been But I had a bad entry. Our one account's up though, over here. Darn it. Well, that might be it for now. Up 200 on one, down 200 on one. Do I need to trade my third account now? Let's see if we can find a trade. Dang, down 200. That's unfortunate because that should have been like 4 trades worth of losses. But, you know, stuff happens. And what day is it? Tuesday? Yeah, I still have a few days of trading these accounts. So. See, now if I try shorten from here, we're going to get stopped out. I'm too slow though. Well, I might take a little break. I missed that short. That would have been a couple R real quick, but I'm just daydreaming. I'm going to take a break. See you guys.